Hey tech lovers, missing the laughs, leaks, and legit tech? The new released Galaxy Z Flip 7 is here. Sleeker, smarter, and folds like a Game Boy. But sexier with 2025 tech. Let's flip into it. Let us start with the reasons why you should flip out. The phone is sleek, stylish, and seriously addictive. The Flip 7 folds like your favorite childhood Game Boy, but sexier. The improved cover display? The external screen is now basically a full phone. Check messages, take selfies, control music, and avoid eye contact with people, all without opening your phone. The battery life. You can now make it through a full day without carrying a power bank like it's an emotional support item. The camera game upgrade. The Flip 7 features a new sensor and AI enhancements. Flex mode selfie cam still makes you look like a glamorous influencer, even if you just rolled out of bed. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 plus AI features. Fast, powerful, and smarter than your ex. The AI can transcribe, translate, and even summarize. Yeah, let's give a look to the things those could be potential drawbacks to consider on this phone. Price tag, wallet says no. Expect it to be around $1,099 plus. Yes, you're basically paying to fold your phone like a taco. But hey, who needs rent when you've got clout? It's still a bit fragile. Water resistance? Check. Drop proof? LOL, no. You can flex on people, just don't flex it too hard or gravity might flex back. No headphone jack or micro SD? Samsung. No headphone jack? Us. We're not mad, just disappointed. Also, no expandable storage. So hope you enjoy living dangerously on 256 GB high. Overall, if you want a phone that feels futuristic, makes you look cooler than you actually are, doubles as a stylish fidget toy, then the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is a good business for you. But if you're clumsy, broke, or allergic to screen creases, you might want to sit this flip out. So what do you think about this phone? Leave a comment, and do you want to buy this new released phone? Click on the link below, you will be directed to the website where you can buy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more laughs, leaks, and legit reviews.